Did you know you can make your furry friend's day without spending a dime on expensive pet toys? Today, we'll show you how to create fun, engaging toys for your pets using items you already have at home. Let's start with a simple and fun DIY dog toy. All you need is an old sock and a tennis ball. In just a few minutes, you'll have your dog's new favorite tug toy. First, grab an old sock. Make sure it's long enough to tie around a tennis ball. Place the tennis ball into the sock and push it all the way to the bottom. Now tie a knot above the ball to keep it in place, and there you have it. A tug toy that's perfect for a game of fetch or tug of war. Next up, we're going to make a braided tug toy for your dog using some old t-shirts. This one is super easy and incredibly durable. Cut your old t-shirts into 3 long strips about 2 inches wide. Tie the strips together at one end to secure them. Now braid the strips tightly all the way down, and once you reach the end, tie another knot to secure the braid. For our final DIY pet toy, let's go back to basics. Have you ever noticed how much cats love cardboard boxes? Well, here's a simple idea. Turn a plain old box into a mini playground. Cut a few holes in the sides of the box, big enough for your cat to reach a paw through. Next, place a small ball or a toy inside. Your cat will have a blast swatting at it through the holes. As you can see, these DIY toys are not only fun, but also a great way to bond with your pets. Whether you have a playful pup or a curious cat, there's something here for everyone. And the best part? These toys don't require any fancy tools or expensive materials. You're giving your pets endless entertainment while also repurposing items you'd otherwise throw away. If you enjoyed these DIY pet toy ideas and want more fun projects, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly content. From pet care tips to DIY crafts, we've got everything you need to keep your pets happy and healthy. Hit the subscribe button and join our community of pet lovers today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy crafting and give your pets a little extra love from us.